So first of all, I just upload this WordPress and show you that how it works. So for that, I just go to in this sajidz wp admin to upload this theme there. So from here, just go to in the appearance, and from here go to the themes, and here just add new to upload that theme. So here this is the theme, so go to the make it and install it there, and now activate it. And here guys, you can see that there has been a critical error on your website. Please check your site admin email inbox for instruction. So here you might get an email from WordPress on this error, and here you can also see it. And here I have also get a message from here, so I just show you that message. This is the WordPress, and here this is the message it would be. So how you can fix it this error? So for that, first of all, I need to do something. So for here, now I need to go to in my this website's cPanel, or here you can do it by other thing. So I just go to in this cPanel, my sajidz cPanel, and here we are. Now go to the file manager from here, and from here go to this public HTML, and from here go to in this specific WordPress WP content, where in which WordPress you install your that theme, or in which WordPress you want to get this theme. So here guys, this is in my the first directory, and from here I need to go to on that wp-config.php here, and here from I need to make some edit for here. Go to this edit option from here, and go to the down to the below, and here you will get a option called define wp debug is false. So from here I need to make it true and save it. And here guys, now from here I need to go to on this and refresh it, and here guys, they just show you an error has occurred in your that specific WordPress theme. And here that error is in the WordPress public HTML WP content. This is the themes. Under this theme, this is my Blockfolio theme. Under this live sample config, there I have an error in this 520th number line. So from here I need to go to on that directory. From here I just remain it open because I have to do something again. So from here go to there in this WP content, and from here go to this themes, and from here go to this Blockfolio which I upload just now. So from here go to this live, as it's say me this directory is there, Blockfolio to live folder. Under this live folder they have some problem, so go to this live folder, and from this live folder go to this sample, and from here I just go to this sample folder, and under this sample folder they say me that this sample config.php has its problem. So from here go to this sample config.php, and from here you need to edit it there, and now click on this edit. And here guys, you can see that they have a lot of code, and this code will be made by you, or here in this case these codes are made by me. So here from I just find out this 520th number line, and here you can see that there have syntax errors, unexpected first brackets, but there have the problem is that there will be no any comma. So here I give a comma, and here this is the error, and here this error will be in your theme. And according to me, I think the error must have to be indicated by you, because all the theme are done by you, so you can find out that error from this. And here they also give you the directory and the line number 2 by which you can easily find out it. Now here is guys, this is the only error, and after just correction the error, now click on the save change, and here it's saved. Now click on this refresh again, and here guys you can see that your theme is already done, and here this is the theme, and from here I can also check it there, and here everything is okay. And now they have another problem is that this the wp-config.php, and here that the define wp debug is in true, as I make it there, it must have to be remain in false, and after just fixing up this error I just make it false again. Now save it again, and here guys now it's okay, and now your theme is okay, and by this way you can also do it. So here is guys, this is the thing that I want to show you by which you can find out this error, and here guys it's really easy for you. So guys, now you can easily find out it in your themes, and here this error just occur only for our faults in the themes. So fix it up there in this way. Guys, if you are able to find out this error and solve this error by watching this video, the time I request you please give a like that video, comment me below on this video guys, share this video with your friends. And guys, this is my website, so what's about this website? Do you like it? If you, that time I request you please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.